This is Dr. Peter Larson at the Loyola Genomics Facility. At the LGF, we know that your sequencing samples can represent considerable time, effort, and expense. To get the best, most relevant sequencing data for your samples, we recommend the following steps for interacting with the LGF. First, it's always a good idea to contact the LGF to make sure that you're getting the most relevant LGF solution and the most appropriate sequencing depth for your experimental design. Now that you know exactly what LGF services you need, your next step is to fill out a sample submission sheet. You can find sample submission sheets on the LGF websites. Click on Submit Samples, and then download a sample submission sheet. Here, enter your contact and billing information, and provide information about your samples, including plate layout, quality metrics, and volumes. Send your sample submission sheet by email to the LGF, and in the next step, you will receive an LGF quote listing services, cost, and you'll be assigned an LGF run number identifying your experimental samples. Once you've reviewed your quote, you're ready to drop off samples. It's always a good idea to make sure someone in the LGF lab on the first floor of the CTRE is available to receive your samples. When you arrive, make sure you associate your samples with your LGF run number. When your data is complete, you'll receive an email with a link to your data, quality reports, and, if one is associated with your LGF solution, a token for accessing data analysis websites. Following these steps will help make sure your samples are processed quickly and efficiently, and that you receive the data you need for your experimental analysis. Please contact the LGF with your questions, check out our updated website, reach us by email, or follow us on Twitter.